This is an elevator on the west side of 1800 2nd Street in Sarasota, Florida. It's an older O Series 1. This building is also known as the Spector building or Atria. So let's go to 3. So this just serves the parking garage. Doesn't go up to any offices as far as I'm aware. So let's go 1. Here's your inspection certificate. The lighting is better on this elevator than the main ones. And I'm honestly surprised that this one didn't get modded. Someone might be getting on. Or not. Let's go up to 3. And let's end it down at 1. Installed in 1987. Main elevators were modernized in 2019. There it goes.